sometimes in our queries with the results, we're gonna encounter some nulls. And in case we do not want those nulls to be present and we want to omit them, we can use the null handling conditional expressions. So if I check my employees table on the HR schema, and if I look at the commission percentage column, we can see that number of rows have a null present, which just signifies that that employee doesn't get any commission percentage. If it has a value, that employee gets a commission, right? But what if we want to make some calculations with the commission percentage? The null value, when added to some value, it will return null, same as with any other operation. Like if we multiply some number with a null, we're gonna get returned a null. So in my first example, I want to escape that. And when a commission percentage column is valued as null, I want to return a 0. So when I add some number with a 0, I'm gonna just get that number, right? So when I execute this query, we can see indeed that our column, commission percentage 2, is returning a 0 for any commission percentage that is in null. And if that commission percentage has some value, it's just gonna return it. To recap, our NVL function accepts two parameters. The first one is the one we are checking if it's in null, and if it is in null, return the second parameter as output. And if the first parameter is not null, then just return that parameter back in our output. Very simple. There is also another way to check if some field is null, and that is with the NVL2 function. This function accepts three parameters. So the syntax is as following. It is NVL2, and in my brackets, my first parameter is the field we are checking, if it's in null state. If it is in null state, then just return the third parameter, which is in my case a salary. And if it's not null, then return the second parameter. In my example, I'm making a calculation. So when a commission percentage is null, just return the salary. And if it's not null, then return salary increased by salary multiplied by commission percentage. So we get the total income returned. So when I execute this, let's check a couple rows. So for my row 45, for example, the salary is 2,500. The commission percentage is null. So my total income is just salary, which is correctly returned by the NVL2 function in my total income column, right? For the row 46, the salary is 14,000. Commission percentage is 0.4. The NVL2 will check if the commission percentage is null. It's checked and the commission percentage is not null, and it's gonna return the second parameter. So I got my total income column as salary added to salary multiplied the commission percentage. So my total income is increased by 40%. Very nice. Practice these NVL functions for yourself. Although the NVL2 function will probably not come on the exam, it is really handy and good to know. See you in the next one.